Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Halal Crypto Investing. In today's video, we will be looking at Aevo and what is its value proposition. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to Halal Crypto Investing if you're looking for halal crypto assets to invest in. And before we continue, just a reminder that this is not financial advice. A lot of people lose money in crypto. And a lot of the things that we cover in halal crypto investing are not the only opportunities out there. There are many, many opportunities within the crypto assets field. And there's only so much that you can do with limited brain power or brain bandwidth. So what we are looking at are things that we have discovered and seen. There are many other things out there. So what we are saying are not the only opportunities out there. So do your own research or do your own homework. If you are continuing with today's video, thank you for listening in. I'm your host today, Mujibul. I've been in crypto for a little while now. And in the last bull cycle, I was investing in terms of investments. I invested 2 and 3 digit numbers. And in the last bull cycle, I had a paper figure of 6 digits. And I say paper because I didn't cash out. So if you don't want to make mistakes like that, then continue watching. Let's carry on with this video. Aevo, what is Aevo? So how have we come about this? There's been a lot of talk about airdrops for Celestia stakers, and Aevo is one of them. And I've looked at this project a number of times, 3, 4, 5 times, and I keep forgetting. So hopefully by doing this video, it will help me remember. Aevo is the first derivatives layer 2 focused on options and perps trading. And it's got good figures, good backing, backed by Paradigm, Dragonfly, Coinbase, and so on. And it's built on Ethereum. So if we look at their website, Aevo, and you can see this is the website there, trade options, perps, and strategies all in one place. Now, what we do know, or what my understanding of investments are, that derivatives are not halal. Options and perps trading, these are things that are not halal. So from my limited understanding, and I'm someone who is not a scholar, just a Muslim who is always learning and researching, this is not halal. This is not halal, and this is, to my understanding, it is not. So if you think otherwise, then comment in the, make a comment on the video. So it's a short one for today. So if this is airdropped to Celestia stakers, I will not be claiming. It is free money, but I will not be claiming. The analogy that I will give is like my profession outside of crypto is I'm a teacher by profession, a maths teacher. So for example, schools that I've been at, they do events, and you go to an event and they have drinks. You got orange juices, you got alcohol, you have that available to you, but you don't go for it. In a similar way, Celestia stakers will have the opportunity to claim this, but I will not be claiming. If it is airdropped, then that's another discussion for another time. But for now, this is something that I will not be claiming. So I hope it's a very short video for this one. If you've enjoyed the content, then subscribe to the channel. And we really appreciate you watching this video. Also, Halal Crypto Investing is recruiting. So we are recruiting for the following areas. If you're someone who would like to promote Halal Crypto Investing, we're looking for people with social media skills, analysts, researchers, gamers. Send an email to us with your CV telling us why you should join our team, halalcryptoinvesting@gmail.com. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for listening. Until the next video, peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.